Okay, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವಂತೂ ಹುಡುಗರು ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. We have the girl who made a song for us and dance for us. Come on, baby, let's go on the bullet too. Congratulations, you've won the award for debutant. Because there are a lot of people who win a lot of awards, but the debut award is very special, right? So, what do you think? This is once in a lifetime award that you're getting.
Yeah, because I can never get debut award again, maybe in another language, but to be recognized for Uppina, which is something I'm really, really proud of, and it's very close to my heart, feels very special.
So there's another question that we have. So, acting comes with maturity, right? When you age at 25, 30, that's when you get the mature acting. How can you act so maturely at such a young age? What practice went behind?
I think maturity also comes from experiences.
Right.
So, and hearing about other people's experiences, which always has been really special to me. So, I kind of try to learn things from other people's experiences, and I kind of live that act, like live the character. So every expression comes naturally.
Super. Since we are here at the SIMA red carpet, we see a lot of stars, and then we want to be with them, right? So you've been to a lot of award functions. So who was that one person you're like, dude, he's the one I'm waiting for? Who's that one person?
Well, there are so many people like that, but someone who always surprises me, like very pleasantly, is Ranveer Singh ji.
Oh my god.
He just
Everyone of
comes
us is-
with
it's
so
everyone,
much
no?
energy,
Yeah.
Because last time I met him in Galata Awards and now SIMA.
Right.
He was so energetic, and the way he interacts with everyone, he helps everyone. I think that was very sweet.
At the end of the day, ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿನೇ.
Yes.
Tullu.
Tulu?
I'm Tullu.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I have one quick question that you've been doing such a awesome movies, but when can we expect a Kannada movie from you?
Because I'm Kannada, I really want to wait for the right film, because Kannada has to be much, much more special. So I'm
Yeah,
waiting for the right film to come.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
Now, Haraistivi, thank you so much for joining. Confident Group presents SIMA Awards 2022. We are at the red carpet in Namma, Bengaluru, and with us we have gorgeous actress Parvati Nair. And hello, welcome to the SIMA Awards 2022 10th edition. I mean, how excited are you about this red carpet?
Hello everyone. I am really excited because my first award ever was from SIMA as the debut actress. And I used to come every year except the last couple of years, and I was feeling bad I didn't come during COVID. So I had to make up by coming this time because the 10th anniversary of SIMA as well.
Oh, that's amazing. How do you feel Bangalore is?
Amazing. I always love Bangalore. So, the energy, the climate, the beauty of Bangalore is unbeatable. My favorite is city in India. So,
Oh my God.
So of course, it's exciting to be in Bangalore for SIMA.
Okay, so you've been a multi-language actress. So when can Kannada fans expect your Kannada movie?
I'm doing something very interesting in Kannada like now.
wow.
So maybe end of this year or next year beginning, I will have a release in Kannada.
Oh, then all the Kannada fans can wait to watch her on the big screen, guys. And it was lovely having you in the SIMA red carpet. And wish you all the very best and have a great evening. Thank you so much.